Hey everyone, I'm here to give you the scoop on how to fix your demonetized video or channel. This is an ever-evolving and complicated process, so I'm going to go over the rules and tips on how to get your channel back in good standing. My name is King and I'm a YouTube content creator. I started my channel doing what I love. We are hopping into a brand new playthrough of Stardew Valley. When you receive an email telling you that a video has been demonetized, or worse, your entire channel has been demonetized, it's a massive bummer and something you really want to hustle to get fixed right away. Over the years, YouTube has been working to assure advertisers that the content uploaded to YouTube is appropriate to have their name associated with it. And this can come as a surprise to some content creators who've uploaded videos in the past that they thought were okay, but now are demonetized. There are a number of reasons why you might find your video or your entire channel temporarily demonetized. So yeah, these are things you want to avoid. Monetized or not, some of these subjects could get your entire channel suspended or worse, terminated. My best advice, delete any offending content. Check out this link for information on YouTube's ad-friendly guidelines. And if you think your account was suspended in error, click here for a form to have the suspension reviewed. And finally, we have copyright. Basically, do I own what I'm hearing or seeing or not? Will someone else claim ownership? Now, I'm going to show you how to fix a video that has been demonetized due to copyright. Okay, here we go. You just got an email, or maybe you checked inside of your YouTube studio and saw a little yellow symbol by one of your videos. The first step is to actually check inside the copyright tab to get an explanation of what the problem might be. Let me give you an example. It looks like I got dinged for a copyright issue on this video. If you want to get into copyright rules, click up in the top right corner. Next, put your cursor over the copyright claim and then click on See Details for an explanation. One of the frequent reasons a video may be demonetized is that copyrighted music has been detected in the video. Often, it will identify what it believes is the copyright holder along with the time code where the music appears in the video. In the past, I've run into this issue a lot with games like Fallout, where there is very popular music that is incorporated into the gameplay. To find a fix, click on Select Action. YouTube has built tools for a quick fix with options to trim out the offending section, replace the song, or mute the song. In this case, I'll show you how to replace the song by clicking here. YouTube provides replacement songs available under free music or in the audio library. If the replacement tune is working for you, click Add in the upper right. The new song will be automatically added to your video and the copyright issue will be resolved. Now, the copyright or music detection algorithm doesn't always get it right. As long as you have a valid reason, you can go to the Select Action dropdown and click on the word Dispute. Then, click on the box in the bottom left. Click Continue. In this case, I think the automated system identified a song that is actually public domain. If you're confident there is no copyright issue, then click on the next box in the bottom left. Be careful here because you don't want to raise a dispute claim if you're using copyrighted material. Making a fraudulent dispute may result in termination of your YouTube account, and you definitely don't want that. Use the next box to describe your issue, and make sure you sign your name at the bottom. While you wait for a resolution, your video will work on YouTube, and any ad revenue that you receive will be held in escrow while you wait for a resolution. Now, if your entire channel has been demonetized, you may have to delete content depending on the severity of the violations. Check up here again for rules on YouTube monetization review. Worst case scenario, after 30 days you can reapply for the YouTube Partners Program and a real-life human will review your application. To prepare your channel and content to rejoin the YouTube Partner Program, I recommend making sure your channel looks like it has creativity and effort put into it. You should have a profile picture and banner image that represents your content, a clear about section describing your channel and content, an introductory video for your channel, and that you have accurate descriptions in your videos. Also, it's smart to avoid or remove videos that have watermarks from other social media platforms. If you think there was an issue in your review, try tweeting at Team YouTube and asking for another review. But before you do that, make sure you follow all the guidance above to address the issues regarding why your video was demonetized in the first place. The tools inside of YouTube Studio have undergone several improvements over the last few years. For example, when you're uploading a video, YouTube will automatically scan your video and let you know if there's any monetization issues right away. Click here for a video that will walk you through the process. Now, I know this has been a lot of info, but I hope some of it has been helpful to you and that you're able to get that green light back on your channel in content soon. Thanks for watching, and for some quality entertainment, make sure you check out my channel, Pain.